We've just finished renovating 2 bathrooms, master and ensuite, and it feels amazing. We had 1 bathroom for 5 people, which was also a laundry, and it had a really small sort of shub bath in it. So we needed to create a master bathroom suite for the whole family, an ensuite for the adults, and a separate laundry. The key steps for me were to firstly plan the layout, then select the products, then get some quotes on how much everything would cost together, choose our builder, and then move to building and installation. I was keen for the bathroom to look quite industrial but very modern with clean lines. I've been finding the product decisions really easy to make, but the harder decisions have been the layout decisions and also the decision about how much to paint versus how much to tile. At this point, I'm leaning towards the half periglacial blue in the Karen Walker Resine range. It's a gorgeous sort of muted blue, and I think it will contrast really well with the concrete coloured tile. I would recommend to people that they start the planning process early. Everything takes longer than you anticipate it will. The thing I love about the main bathroom is the big bath where the kids go and splash about, making loads of water flying everywhere, and because it's a wet room, it doesn't matter. The ensuite is a really calming adult space. The floating vanity makes the room feel much bigger, and even though the toilet is a compact style toilet, it doesn't feel small. The budget and timeline did creep over. It's a little hard to determine how much of that was pointed towards the bathrooms because we're in the context of a larger renovation. But largely the bathroom aspects of the project ran really smoothly, and I think the reason for that was because I'd actually pre-purchased all of the fixtures and fittings and they were on site, so the plumbers and the builders knew exactly what they were dealing with and the dimensions of such. It goes without saying that doing a reno provides a bit of upheaval in your life, but once all the dust is settled and you have the final product, it's made a big difference to the way in which we live. I feel really proud with how they've turned out and all the design decisions have come together, and I just really love the spaces.